How to edit or change footer on MailChimp. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can edit or change footer on MailChimp. Alright. Now, to edit or change footer on MailChimp is very simple. Just follow the processes and the procedures that I'll be showing you in this tutorial. The first thing to do is to log in into your MailChimp account and then open the campaigns page. Once you open the campaigns page, this was what your home screen would look like. So once this is done, you would move over to the right side of the screen and click on create new. Once you click on that, select design email, then you'll be redirected to another page. On this page, just scroll down on under content, click on design email as well. Then you'll be directed to the templates page. Here, just go ahead and click on start from scratch, apply. And then once you're here, you would see that there are different content box. We have the one that contains the logo, it's time to design your email, and then just scroll down. Then you will see the footer. For you to be able to edit or change this footer, just double click on it. Now once you double click on it, by the left side of the screen, you will see a writing asking you to edit contact info. So this edit contact info is not just your info, but it will edit everything written in this footer uh, content block. So just click on edit contact info. Once you do that, you'll see they will ask to remind people how they sign up to your audience, how can recipients contact you, the company, the contact name, phone, address. So they just go ahead and fill everything, including your website URL. Then you click on save. Once you do that, your footer would be changed and edited immediately. So this is how you can edit or change footer on MailChimp. So go ahead and change that footer settings today. Thanks for watching.